Yesterday, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister convened the all-party meeting, and the Honorable Chamandri Rajnath Singh Ji and the Honorable Health and Family Welfare Minister and leader of Rajya Sabha Nadda Ji also presented there. So the main opposition parties expressed our views in the meeting, especially Congress Party. From our side, Govt, Deputy Leader of Lok Sabha, initiated the discussion. That discussion we expressed several issues. Mainly Adani issue, Adani and his nephew, the issue, the warrant of American Stock Exchange, that's a very important issue. And also Manipur violence still going on. Since 1 year it was happened, but the government of India has not taken any serious step to end the Manipur ethnic violence. Still the violence is going on. So situation is out of control from state government. Central government is also not taken any serious step. And also the air pollution in Delhi. That also very important issue. The Delhi people of Delhi has very much fear about the air pollution in Delhi. But government of India totally failed to tackle the issue. And also price rise is alarming situation. Unemployment situation is increasing day by day. Government of India has not taken any issues. The farmers' problem is still there. And so many other issues also, related issues also there. In Wayanad, you know, the landslide is very, Wayanad landslide. The government of India not given any single paise for the rehabilitation and compensation of the people, victims. So such issues. Yesterday we expressed our concern. Today the India bloc parties also discuss these matters. After that we will take a unanimous decision and rise in the both houses. So far not indicating any specific date. We are waiting for Priyanka ji's approval. So whenever she want to take oath, we are ready to arrange everything.
Any letter has come?
No, so far not any letter has come. So parliamentary party, whenever the Lok Sabha start, the newly elected member can, by election, newly elected member can take oath. That is up to the member, newly elected member has to decide.